Hey guys, what's up? Hey, some time ago I posted a video of my results from 23andMe. I was very happy with the results. The only thing is I wanted to know a little bit more in detail, more information by region. So I had my test done by Ancestry DNA. Um, to say the least, I am very happy with the results. Extremely happy, actually. Um, in some cases, some numbers went up. In some cases, some numbers went down. Nonetheless, here are my results. Okay, to begin with, I'm 62% African. So this is 2% more than 23andMe. 23andMe was like, this guy's 60% African. And Ancestry DNA is like, this guy's 62% African. I'll settle for 61. Right now it says 62. And the first amount is 22% Mali. Now, I'm blown away by this because I'm Dominican, and most Dominicans, or most of the slaves that were brought to the Dominican Republic, were either from the Congo, more than half, and from Nigeria. Now, me inheriting most of my DNA material, 22% from Mali, that really blows me away. I'm so happy. I've always felt like some connection to the desert in some weird way, and I always felt like, wow, some deep down inside I wasn't only Nigerian. I knew that there was something else going on, and so I'm very happy with the results to know that I'm 22% Mali, that somehow that genetic material made it through time and got into this body. So I'm ecstatic about that. The other 20% is Nigerian. No surprise there. I'm Dominican. So most of the slaves, a good number of the slaves that were brought through the Dominican Republic were Nigerian. So there's no surprise there. 7% Ghana, Ivory Coast. Ghana and Nigeria are very close, so no surprise there. Okay, South African Central Hunter Gatherers and South Africa South Eastern Bantus. All black people have some genetic material from these people. This is our more. This is or sort of our more uh, ancient or distant genetic material. So this was, I believe, because of the Great Bantu migration that we all sort of kind of inherited that material. So no surprise there. Okay. Trace regions: Cameroon, Congo, 4%. Senegal, 3%. Senegal is close to Mali. And Benin, Togo, 2%. So, so as a Dominican, I always knew I was black, but I didn't know I was like this cool black guy from Mali. That's on another level. Anyways, I'm very happy. Very, very happy. Um, Next amount is Native American. I'm 2% Native American. No surprise there. I'm Dominican. Most Dominicans have Native American genes. Actually, 2% for Dominican is quite low. But maybe genetic repatterning. Maybe that I don't have many Native Americans in my past who were part of my family. Um, Maybe I have a lot, my brothers have less, or my brothers have more and I have none. Anyways, no mystery there. Um, when the conquistadores came to La Hispaniola, um, they found the Arawaks living there, and they went on to murder and rape them. So there you go. Okay. Next amount, 2% Asia Central. A lot of people don't know this, but in the Dominican Republic for a long time, the merchant class were Turks. So it is very possible that I have a Turkish ancestor. A lot of Dominicans do, and are part Turk. I'm 30% European. Woo! 30% Europe. No surprise there. When I was a kid, I loved the cucumber sandwiches. So, um, 17% Iberian Peninsula, conquistadores. Um, 5% Italy and Greece in the Iberian Peninsula. Right there, makes complete sense. 4% Ireland. Now, my last name is actually the capital name of Galicia. And for those of you who don't know, the Galicians are actually the Gaelics, or the Celts of Spain. And it's pretty obvious that given my last name, which is uh, the capital name of Galicia, aka Gaelic, it's obvious that I'm part Irish or part Celt, because I'm part Spanish Celt. Great Britain, it ties into the whole Celt thing. Ireland, Great Britain, neighbors. And I'm 1% Europe West. So all those comprise the 30% of my genetic makeup. According to 23 and Me, though, I was almost 33% European. Here lost 2 points, so 30% European. Okay, the next amount is Middle Eastern. I'm 4% Middle Eastern. No surprise there at all. Most Dominicans are part Middle Eastern. What I mean to say by that is that most Dominicans have Middle Eastern genes. Now, whether this and the reason why is because most of the conquistadores, or the Spaniards, were already admixed with Middle Eastern, meaning that they had Middle Eastern genes. And it could also be possible that my 22% Mali, I could be maybe Tuareg or Fulani or one of those people, and those people also share Middle Eastern genes. So it's very possible that through those two ends, I really love to know which one. As you can tell, I'm super ecstatic about the 22% Mali genes there. So, well, hope this was informative and entertaining at the same time. Hope this message finds you all well. And waiting to hear your responses, also to see your videos. Until then, peace.